Dear students, today we will solve a few questions of my practice time 12. Here the question number 1 is Amit reads 1 by 5 of a book on Monday and 2 by 7 of it on Tuesday. Find what part of the book he completed reading. So we know that here that Amit reads 1 by 5 part of a book on Monday and 2 by 7 on Tuesday. So what we will find out, we have to find out the part of book which read by Amit on both the 2 days. Okay, so here book read by Amit on Monday is 1 by 5 and book read on Tuesday is equal to 2 by 7. So part of book read by Amit on both the days is equal to 1 by 5 plus 2 by 7. So here we can see that the denominators are different, so we need to find out the LCM of the denominators. Now the LCM of 5 and 7, here we can see that 5 ones are 5 and here's 7 ones are 7. So LCM of 5 and 7 is equal to 35. Now we will divide the LCM by the denominator. So here 35 divided by 5 is equal to 7. Okay, now we will multiply 1 by 5 multiplied by 7 by 7. So 1 7s are 7 and 5 7s are 35. Now 2 by 7. Here 35 divided by 7 is equal to 5. Okay, so now we will multiply 2 by 7 multiplied by 5 upon 5. So 2 5s are 10 and 7 5s are 35. So here we can see that the denominators are same. Okay, so here we will add only the numerators, right? So here 7 plus 10 upon 35. We will write denominator as it is. So here 17 upon 35. 35. So the answer is 17 upon 35 part of book completed reading by Amit. Now question number 3 here. Neha's mother bought 4 and 2 by 9 kg of potatoes and 3 and 2 by 9 kg of onions and 5 and 1 by 6 kg of cauliflower. Okay, so calculate the total weight of vegetables she bought, right? So we know that the weight of vegetables bought by Neha's mother. Potatoes, you know that 4 and 2 by 9 kilogram, and onions 3 and 2 by 9 kilogram, and cauliflower is 5 and 1 by 6 kilogram, right? So we have to find out the total weight of the vegetables bought by her. So what to do? We will have to add all this weight of the vegetables, right? So we are adding here 4 and 2 by 9 plus 3 and 2 by 9 plus 5 and 1 by 6. Now here we can see that 4 and 2 by 9 is equal to, because all these are the mixed fractions, so we have to convert this mixed fraction as an improper fraction. So for that we know what to do. So here we are multiplying 4 to 9. Okay, so 4 multiplied by 9, and here we are adding 2, that is numerator, right? So 4 9s are 36. 36 plus 2 is equal to 38. 38 by 9. Now 3 and 2 by 9 is equal to 3 9s are 27 plus 2 numerator is equal to 29 by 9. Then next 5 and 1 by 6 is equal to 5 multiplied by 6 plus 1, that is numerator. Okay, so 5 6 are 30 and 30 plus 1 31. So 31 by 6. Now we can see that 38 by 9 plus 29 by 9 plus 31 by 6. So here we can see that the denominators are different. So here we need to find out the LCM of 9, 9 and 6. So the LCM of 9, 9 and 6 is equal to, we can see here that the LCM of 9, 9, 6 is equal to 2, 2 into 3 into 3 is equal to 18. So now we will make the denominators same. So here for that we will divide LCM by the denominator. Okay, so here 18 divided by 9 is equal to 2. So we will multiply 38 by 9 multiplied by 2 by 2 is equal to 38 2s are 76 and 9 2s are 18. Now in next, here 29 by 9. So 18 divided by 9 is equal to 2. So again we need to multiply it. 29 by 9 multiplied by 2 by 2 is equal to 29 2s are 58 and 9 2s are 18. Now in next, 31 by 6 is equal to 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3. Okay, so we will multiply 31 by 6 multiplied by 3 by 3 is equal to 31 3s are 93 and 6 3s are 18. Now we can see here that the denominators are same. So in that case we will add only the numerators, right? So here we are adding the numerators and the answer is, we can see here 76 plus 58 plus 93 is equal to 227 by 18. Now we will turn this 227 by 18 into mixed fraction, right? So for that we will divide, okay, the numerators by the denominator. So here 18 ones are 18, 22 minus 18 is equal to 4, okay, then 7 47 and then 18 2s are 36. So 47 minus 36, okay, so 11 will be left here. So we can write, okay, we can write 12 quotient, okay, as a whole part of mixed fraction and a remainder as a numerator of mixed fraction and the divisor as a denominator of the mixed fraction. So the answer is 12 and 11 by 18 kg. Okay, so Neha's mother bought overall 12 and 11 by 18 kilogram of vegetables. Now question number 5. A milkman supplies 3 and 1 by 2 liters of milk to a family each day. How much milk did the family consume in 45 days? So here we know that the amount of milk consumed by family in a day, that is 3 and 1 by 2 liter, right? So therefore the amount of milk consumed by family in 45 days. Dear students, we know that in one day a family consumed 3.5 liter milk. So the family consumed, okay, 45 days. So we need to multiply 3.5 multiplied by 45. So here again we need to turn this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay, so here 3 2s are, okay, 6 and plus 1 numerator here. So 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7, 7 by 2 here. So now 7 by 2 multiplied by 45. So what to do here? We will multiply directly. Okay, so here 45 7s are 315 upon 2, right? So now we will divide 315 by 2. Okay, so 2 ones are 2, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 here. Okay, so then 1 we will write here, then 2 5s are 10, so 11 minus 10 is equal to 1. Again 5 brings down, okay, here, and then again 2 7s are 14, so 15 minus 14 is equal to 1 here. So the answer is 157 and half liter milk consumed by a family in a day. Now question number 7. A bag of rice weighs 13 and 4 by 7 kilogram. What will be the total weight of 53 such bags? Right? So we know that the weight of one bag of rice is equal to 13 and 4 by 7 kilogram. So the weight of 53 bags of rice. We know that the one bag of rice is equal to 13 and 4 by 7 kilogram. Okay, so therefore the weight of 53 bags of rice. So here we need to multiply this amount by 53, right? So for that we need to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction first. So 13 multiplied by 7 plus numerator 4 here. Okay, so after solving that we can get here 13 multiplied by 7, okay, 91 plus 4, that is 95. 95 by 7 multiplied by 53. So 95 by 7 multiplied by 53 is equal to 5035 upon 7. Now we will convert this as a mixed fraction. So here we are dividing 5035 by 7. So you can see here that 7 7s are 49. So 50 minus 49, 1 will be left here. So we will write 3 here. Then again 7 1s are 7. So 13 minus 7 will be 6. Okay, and 5 will write here. Okay, so 7 9s are 63. Then 65 minus 63, 2 will be left here. So now we can write it as a fraction here, that is 719 and 2 by 7 kilogram. So the weight of 53 bags of rice is equal to 719 and 2 by 7 kilogram. Dear students, home task is given to you. Kindly complete this in your mathematics notebook. Thank you.